Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to do a lunge without hurting your knees. If you want to do lunges as an exercise and you have some knee pain, then this is the video for you. Because I'll be going over some techniques that will help you avoid pain in your knees, okay? Lunges are actually a great way to improve your leg strength and your core strength, which will actually help to alleviate and eliminate knee pain, believe it or not. So lunges will help you get rid of your knee pain if you do them effectively and the right way. Let's get right into the video. So I'm gonna stand up. You're not gonna be seeing my face anymore. What you're gonna see is my legs, because that's the main thing we're focusing on when we're doing the lunge. Now here are a few things that will help you. Now first of all, when you do a lunge, it's gonna look something like this. That's a basic lunge, okay? But here are the factors that will help to eliminate knee pain. So if you're experiencing knee pain, you need to make sure you're doing these things. First and foremost, have both knees facing completely straight ahead in the same direction, okay? So sometimes people's knees will be pointed outwards or inwards, and that creates knee pain. Because your knees are not meant to twist. They're meant to bend this way. They're not meant to twist like this with pressure on them from a lunge. So get your knees facing straight ahead. And in order to do that, the second tip is to keep your feet both facing straight ahead. If your feet have a tendency to point outwards like mine, okay, because when I walk like this, okay, you need to make sure, you need to make a conscious effort to keep your feet facing forward completely. They need to be facing completely in the same direction, okay? That's how you really eliminate the knee pain, okay? Now, so we're gonna start like this, and we're gonna make sure our knees and our feet are both facing forward. Now, the next thing you gotta focus on is you wanna place the pressure, okay, in your quads over here, and in your calves over here, those leg muscles. So when I'm going forward, I'm focusing on the pressure right here, okay? This is where the muscle is coming from. This is where the force is coming from, not from here. Because if I focus on leaning forward too much, the force comes from here, it creates knee pain. So how do we get the force to come from your quads over here and your calves? Well, you lean back and you keep your back straight, okay? What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift the camera up just a touch. So when I'm doing my lunges, okay, people have a tendency to do this. You're not going to do that. That's not the way to do it if you want to avoid knee pain. When you do your lunge, keep your back straight. How do you do that? Puff out your chest like that. It'll force you to keep your back straight. I would rather you go a little bit too arched back than too arched forward, because when you arch back, you're not going to be experiencing any knee pain, and it won't really hurt your lunge that much. Okay? So far we've gone over knees pointing straight, feet pointing straight. Use the power from your quads and your calves, but mainly your quads. And to do that, you keep your back straight, okay? In addition, you want to get a smooth movement forward and a smooth movement backwards. So let's bring the camera back down just quickly. So we're going to get a smooth movement forward and a smooth one backwards. We're not going to go forward and I don't know what I'm doing here. No, we're not doing that. One movement forward, one movement backward, like this. Just like that. Forward, backward. Now also, you'll notice what I'm doing is that when I go out, forward, bringing my hands to the side, helps me balance, and to get momentum, I'm bringing my hands forward when I go backward. That helps to eliminate the knee pain because it gives me additional momentum. It's like almost like a personal spot. Now yes, it does take away from the effectiveness of the muscular movement in the lunge, but in addition to that, I'd rather have a like 90% effective muscular movement and not worry about knee pain. Just like that, okay? I'm gonna do it with the other leg now so you get a different view. Just like that. One forward, one backward. Smooth movements, forward and backward, just like that. Another thing that you'll notice I'm doing here is as I go forward, my back leg is going on the ball of my foot. So watch this. As I go forward, I'm going on the ball of my foot there. And that's to eliminate the pressure on the rear knee. So basically, as I go forward, 95% of the force is coming from here. This is mainly here for balance, basically. And then as I push off, I'm getting rid of that. I can switch sides. 90% of the force, 95% is coming from here. As I push off, I'm back on balance. That's it. That's essentially how to do lunges without knee pain. It's actually, that was my knee just cracking. So it's good. I mean, it feels great, actually. But that's it. It's a very simple process, but you have to make a conscious effort to do these things, and you too can do lunges and not experience any knee pain. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.